Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to do a very chotu and sweet sa haul. Now, haul videos is one of my favorite videos to watch. So if you want to know about what are the products I bought and have a little bit of a chit chat session, then stay tuned. Hey guys, if you are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I'm Moitri Haldar. I do make a lot of beauty related content mixed with a couple of contents that I really like, such as this one. If you are into that genre, then do consider subscribing and hitting on that bell notification to get notified every time I upload. Also, do not forget to follow me in my social media accounts where I'm the most active and you get to be a part of what goes into my videos, especially my Instagram where I do a couple of live sessions to answer back to all of your skincare or other concerns. Now, we are going to start off by mentioning two products that I recently got, not exactly bought, but got. These two products were sent to me by Deconstruct Skincare, but the next video would be about some of the Deconstruct products that I'm trying. First one is their exfoliating serum and the second one is their pore control serum. Both of the products are amazing, and stay tuned for the next video to watch about how the products are. Coming on to the next product, it's already seen my minimalist cleanser review. The next review, which is coming shortly, is their ascorbic acid powder. I got this in their pre-order. Obviously, this is L-ascorbic acid 90% plus E plus F powder that they recently launched. I've been using this product for 2 weeks and I'm not going to tell you anything about this product before mentioning it in my review. See, I got it for about $4.99 or 375 rupees in their pre-order, and so far it's working pretty nice for me. Now, before talking about my repurchases, I'm going to talk about some of the new products that I got from Nykaa, I guess, or Amazon. I'm not quite sure, but I have mentioned this Anatomicals Rose Body Cleanser, right? There was a sale going on in Amazon about like 2 to 3 days ago of this particular brand right here, which is Love Beauty and Planet. This particular brand is one of my favorite brand, and I got their, obviously, my favorite scent in this whole entire planet, Rose one. This is their Murmuru Butter and Rose Aroma Bountiful Moisture Body Wash. I got this on a sale for about 345 rupees for 400 ml. Oh my god, let's just talk about the fragrance first. It is not as sweet as rose fragrance, like those artificial rose fragrance. It has a little bit of depth and I really like it. This is one of the body washes that is very similar to my favorite body washes from Petal Pet because it doesn't dries out to my skin. It is a little bit of a cream based body wash, but at the same time it doesn't really makes your body grimy even in this hot and humid climate. It is such a fresh fragrance. It is on a little bit of a warm fragrance, but I really like it because it is a rose fragrance. Let's pass ahead with my rose obsession, and we are going to talk about the next product, which is from Sebamed, and this is their liquid face and body wash. Now, I use it for my face, but you can use it for your body. This I got it in a sale for about 375 rupees or 400 rupees for 200 ml. This particular product, I wanted to try it because I have seen such good reviews of their olive face and body wash or something like that. That was out of stock, so I went ahead with this one. This does contains fragrance, but as it is a wash off product, 90% of you guys won't really have a problem with that. But yeah, with the pH, yes, is something around 5 to 6. I'm not sure about 5.5, but yeah, it is such a great face wash. It is very gentle, very mild. You can even use it on the AM time. It is such a mild cleanser. And yeah, it also has like very mild surfactants. The ingredient list is nice and nothing I can really complain about. And Sebamed is one of the products or one of the brands that I am really into. Now, before moving on to my obsession of nail polishes, and I have bought a lot of nail polishes recently, we are going to talk about some of the repurchase that I bought. First of all, let's start off with simple. I bought 4 bottles of this because it was in stock in Nykaa, and this is my Holy Grail moisturizer. I got it for about 315 rupees to 350 rupees for each. And next product that I got is the rose water from Glow Theory. It is one of my favorite rose water. It is cheap, affordable, works, and I always use this to set off my makeup just to not make my face look powdery. And yeah, this one was for something about 200 rupees for 200 ml. The next, I was telling you about me not investing a lot in shampoos, but this particular shampoo that Ahava once sent it to me, and I got another one. This is the PSO scalp shampoo. It is a little bit expensive for 2000 rupees, but my scalp psoriasis loves it. I think I didn't had any flaking after I've started using this particular shampoo combined with my medical shampoo. And yeah, this is such a nice luxurious shampoo, and this is one of the shampoo that really helped me with my scalp psoriasis. Not exactly lathering kind of a shampoo, but more of a cream based shampoo. A little bit expensive, but I don't mind if my hair is in a same situation. The next two products are again repurchases. The first one is the Retinoid 2% from Minimalist. I love this, I adore this, I will buy it until I find a new favorite retinoid. So yeah, this one was for about 699 rupees for 30 ml. Next one is a beauty blender. I don't have it, but I've used it today. But this is a beauty blender that I've been using for about 2 years, and I finally replaced it. I wanted to get the Plumco one. The color that I really wanted was out of stock. I will buy it. But yeah, for now I bought my favorite beauty blender, the pack one. Costed me something about 499, 500 rupees in sale. The last like all of the products are nail polishes, and I got a lot of nail polishes. First of all, let's talk about a couple of Nykaa nail polishes that I got. I got 3 of their nail polishes. 2 of them are from their matte range, and one of them is this mint chocolate thingy. So if you guys are not familiar with me, mint chocolate is my favorite thing in this whole entire planet. I got this same thing in this nail polish, and this one again costed me something about 179 rupees. It is such a nice product. I think Nykaa nail polishes are generally very good in quality. The next 2 nail polishes are from their matte range. My nails are short now, but when they were long, I got a black matte nail polish and I got so many compliments for that nail polish. This one from Nykaa, this is the black sesame, is the closest shade that you can ever get to the shade that I was wearing, and mistakenly I thought this was a black shade and I ordered this one. I don't know, I'm colorblind maybe. This is such a blackish maroonish kind of a matte shade, and I really like both of them. Yeah, matte nail polish from Nykaa, really a pretty good deal. I'm into a lot more matte nail polishes recently, so I got 2 more matte nail polish. The first one is this company called as Litmus, and this is a matte chrome nail polish. I'm not really a big fan of matte chrome nail polishes, but yeah, it works, it is affordable. I bought 015 shade if you are curious about that. This one was an okayish product. The next nail polish, however, it is a shimmer nail polish at the same time being matte. This is from Color Bar, and this is their matte nail lacquer something. The shade name is Blue Night, and I will mention all of the links in the bottom box below. Packaging wise, it's amazing. The finish is not that great, but yeah, it is doable, and it is one of, like, I have never applied like a matte shimmer nail polishes, and for that it is an amazing nail polish. Oh, one more nail polish that I bought from Faces, and this is in the shade like silver nail polish. I wanted to get a silver nail polish, especially to apply it on the tip of the black nails. Yup, I was going for that look, but I was so lazy I didn't. But this was a silver nail polish that I bought. So affordable, I guess 95 rupees or 100 rupees for that one. The next 4 nail polishes are from Bad Company. This particular brand I mentioned in my Instagram, and I don't know, I just find their formulation to be so nice. They don't have any toxins as sort. I don't know, like they are promoting their brand of that sort. But yeah, I got 4 shades in total. These 2 shades are my favorite, the pink one and the lilac one. I have both of them in both of my hands. Names are also quite interesting. The pink one is called Who Run the World. The blue one or the lilac one is called God is a Woman. And I got 2 similar, like turquoise bluish kind of a shade. The first one is Can't Stop Won't Stop, and the next one is Sorry Not Sorry. Both of them are amazing, and both of them I will, after this one is chipped off, I'm going to apply these. Yeah, so these were all the nail polishes that I bought. Now if you stick to this part of the video, then I am going to mention a Funko Pop that I recently bought of Boa Hancock. So if you are a fan of One Piece, you might know who is Boa Hancock, but I recently got it from Nerd Arena, and this one is such a cute, oh my god, I love this Funko Pop. Oh, Boa is my favorite character of One Piece, and I got it for about 1000 rupees. I'm not sure, maybe 1200 or 1000 rupees, I don't know, but this is such a nice one, and you are going to see more of Boa in the back side of there or anywhere. I just like collecting cute stuff, and yeah, Funko Pop is something which is very cute. Oh, almost forgot to mention, I also got the scalp cream mask. I also repurchased this one. So yeah, this was also a very expensive hair mask, but for my scalp psoriasis, I will do anything. So hey guys, that was my short and sweet and chotu sa haul. If you guys enjoyed it, like this video, comment down below, share this video to any of your friends who like haul videos, and lastly, subscribe to my channel, hit on that bell notification, and I will see you in the next video. So bye bye and take care.